hold on. So, real quick, people. Since we're now offering iron-on patches, here I am in the shop. Got my heat press. Getting hot. So, the patches will either be on felt, or on twill. That's my last foot. And then stab a bitch. All embroidered, as you can tell. That's the front. That's the back. You won't be able to see that like that. And this right here is a glue type thing. So, take my patch that's been fully embroidered. I got my glue circle, and he's gonna get flat placed upside down on the heat press. Gotta make sure that it's covered on that little side, fully covered. Get my swing away heat press, press it down. And it's gonna just say press because I'm not trying to bond it. I'm just pressing it down so it'll adhere to the back of the patch. About a couple seconds. And there it is. I'll press down and see if you look. See the glue where it melted? I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna help it cool. So I'm gonna show y'all real fast. Come here, twin, and hold this phone at this right here without putting your body in it. Huh? I'm not live though, I'm on a video. Okay, hold it right here like this. So now that it's already been bonded, I'm gonna take it. See, I didn't want it to melt completely on there. I guess I should have pressed it a little bit longer. That's my own fault. But there we go. Completely off. Paper backing comes off. Here it is. I'll trim that up because I didn't press it on. And that's the glue I want y'all to see. That'll be on the back of the patch. I'm gonna press it just a little bit longer. And that one, I'm gonna let that cool all the way off. Take this little excessive glue and just pick it off. Now they can be put on at home on the iron for about 20 seconds. Consistent pressure. You don't want to go back and forth on your patch. You want to put it on, pick it up, put it on, pick it up. And I'm gonna put this on this. What you want on the sleeve?
Put it any way you want. Sleeve.
As a demonstration, we're gonna put this on. So this white come on your sleeve?
Mm-hmm.
It come all the way down?
It goes down to about the form.
Okay. So as usually it's a big old white line. I'm just gonna use this as my position, my place where I'm gonna put this patch. And I might just make some more patches and put them all the way down. So that'll be up too high. So right here is your arm.
Right here.
Okay. We're gonna put it right there. Now he wasn't planning on doing this, y'all, when he came into the shop. So there it is. Because I'm using a heat press, we have what is it? Parchment paper. Parchment paper does not burn. It's a wonderful little gadget for cooking, baking, and heat pressing. I'm gonna heat press it down so a count of 10. 1, 12. I won't count out loud. Silence. Silence is precious. Precious. Oh, my precious.
First time I was thinking about Lord of the Rings.
It was Gollum.
I still think Master Frodo was the best. Or Gandalf.
Yeah. I like the Army of the Dead. When they overtook the
The cows.
The cows are like that. It was just amazing.
It was.
All right, and there's his patch. Lean in, please. Patch is on. Great bond. It'll cool and it'll be washable and he'll be ready to go. So that's his patch. Thank you.